Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Now select Notifications. Click on See All from last 7 days and tap on Most Recent at the top. Now select the best option for you. I will go with Most Frequent. Lastly, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Chrome. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also just select one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!